Few days ago, our Southeast politicians made a choice that they want Anim-Oma state. And that Anim-Oma state comprises of Anioma people with Old Olo in Imo State, with Ihiala local government in Anambra State. That Old Olo in Imo State is part of the proposed Anim state. There are people agitating to have Anim states from the southeast. So part of that Anim state wants to be added to Anioma state. That's why they got the name Anim-Oma state. But what we are saying here right now is that so many Anioma people that support the creation and zoning of Anioma state to the southeast are not happy with that decision made by southeast leaders. What we Anioma people want is Anioma state for Anioma people alone, and for the state to be zoned to the southeast. Anioma state comprises of the indigenous Igbos in the Edo state, which are Ibanke people, Iru people, Ekpon people, and many others. There are about 7 Igbo speaking community in Edo state. We want to make sure that they join Anioma state through boundary adjustment. We know that those southeast leaders that are clamoring for Anim states wants to have that their state by all means, and that's why they made everything possible for part of that Anim state to be part of Anioma as a single state. But we Anioma people, we don't want it. 80% of Anioma people that wants Anioma state to be actualized as zone to the southeast, they don't want any part of the southeast to join the map of Anioma. Because if you look at what is happening now, so many of our southeastern brothers are saying that they want to go for other states. They want to go for Anim states. They want to go for a Titi state. That Anioma politicians are saying that they don't want Anioma state to be part of southeast. That they want Anioma state to be part of south-south. One thing we all should know is that Anioma state we never created and zoned to the south-south. The proposal for state creation is for the southeast alone. And if you look at what those politicians from Anioma that don't want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast are saying, they are saying that they are not against the creation of Anioma state, but that they don't want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. This is for us to know that they want the state. But where it becomes so bad for them is that they cannot take Anioma state to the south-south. And that is where we have an edge over them. They know that if they do referendum, make Anioma people vote, say majority go vote, say they won't join southeast. We know that Oshimiri and Anyocha people are in full support for Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast. We know that so many Okwane people want Anioma state to be part of southeast. We know that so many Ika people want Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast. So those politicians from Anioma that are against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast, they are only securing the interest of their father, which is Ifeanyi Okowa. Only Ifeanyi Okowa and those politicians not be the full Delta North. If to so Okowa thought say he want to make Anioma state join southeast, those politicians where they follow Okowa, they thought say they don't want to make it join southeast. They go thought say they want to make Anioma state join southeast because their oga kwata don't tell them say he won't join southeast. But because now Senator Ned Nwoko they agitate for this Anioma state, so they fight am. So our southeast politicians make una not give up. Waiting Senator Ned Nwoko wants now una support. Because as una they clamor for Anim-Oma states now, una they cause more confusion. Whether we like it or not, is a confusion. Make we no allow those our Anioma brothers when they get up, say if they join southeast, say they go dey marginalized, say they go do them like this. So I'm talking about those Anioma people that want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. Because some of them they thought say I support the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast though. But this one they hear say Igbo people go marginalize us, say Igbo people go start to play politics on us. Let's prove them wrong by supporting Anioma state alone and not add any part of southeast to the map of Anioma. If our Southeast politicians go fit do this thing, I go dey very happy. The Igbo unification movement go dey very happy. Ndi na Soviet socio-cultural organization where they champion this Anioma state cause, we go dey very happy. One thing our Southeast politicians to know is that Anioma state will never be sold to the South. Those politicians supporting Ifeanyi Okowa, they know it. They know say they not go fit, and they know that in case in the future that there is a call for a state to be created and given to South people, Anioma state will never be chosen. Other tribes in the South will stand against Anioma state to be created as a state and be kept in the South. Urobo people are there agitating for a state. Esan people are there agitating for a state. Ogoja people are there agitating for a state. Obolo people are there agitating for a state. So those people not go want to make Anioma become a state for South because Anioma don't lose the opportunity in the past. But with the unification movement, we not allow Anioma lose this opportunity. So if you come across this video, say you come from the Southeast, if you get connection, you know person wey be say they go fit reach all those politicians, call those politicians, tell them that let Anioma state be created for Anioma people alone. May they not add any part of Southeast for the map of Anioma. Majority of Anioma people are in support of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. Those set of Ukwane people, Eka people that are writing against the zoning of Anioma state to the Southeast, those people are paid actors. If you go to Ukwane communities, Eka communities, Oshimiri and Anacha communities, 80% of the people there will tell you that they are Igbo people. They will tell you that they want Anioma state to be zoned to the Southeast. For the whole Delta North, now only Ukwane you go to see politicians wey be say they not get dream for their people. Ukwane is the most backward Igbo speaking region in Delta North. Ukwane is the poorest Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. For the entire Anioma land, now Ukwane land they backward pass. See wetin our politician they talk. Politician representing the entire Ukwane local government. See rubbish when they talk. Politician will not get shame. I enter a comment section and I see some other Mumu Ukwane people. They talk rubbish for in comment section. You are right, sir. Keep it up, sir. We are behind you. Those idiots, lights not in their community. These people don't know this thing they pay me. My own community Ogume, we not get lights. Osis and my mama village, they not get lights, but they be Ukwane people. It's very shameful. The man they write Delta North is not for sale. You get who they buy Delta North before? You get who want thief this Delta North come up for here where we dey? We are still in our land. Now geopolitical zoning, now be all this kata where they happen so. You follow other politicians for Anioma when they want make Anioma state join South because say they follow Kowa. You follow them, they talk nonsense. Say Delta North is not for sale. Say you are proud to be a Delta Northerner. Delta North na tribe. Delta North is now a tribe. We Ukwane people now we dey suffer pass. We not supposed to dey do the same politics with other region for this Anioma self. We not supposed to play the same politics with Oshimiri and Nyocha and the Eka people. We supposed to play our own politics because our own people they suffer for this Anioma land. But because of say Okowa na your godfather, you come online they write nonsense. And then Anyeze, but na failure 9 day for House of Representatives, they represent India Anyeze. If you go Ukwane land, no be person go tell you say these people they call themselves Anyeze, they just they deceive themselves. Ukwane land will only be seen as Anyeze if Ukwane land is being developed. If better thing come Ukwane land, you want day for South. How many South people they invest for Ukwane land? Our Southeast brothers, you people should drop that idea of adding part of Olo Ihiala local government in the map of Anioma. What we are clamoring for is Anioma state, not Anim-Oma state. I know say so many of our Southeast brothers they don't tire for this Anioma state matter. So many of them don't diverse already. And they see their comments for comment section, they talk say we don't want Anioma state again. These people have insulted us so much. They have done this, they have done that. What I'm saying is those our brothers from the Southeast where no one give up on this Anioma state creation, where stand by us, make una stand by us. Let's do everything possible to make sure that we actualize Anioma states. All we Anioma people want is make them come out those part of Southeast where they add for Anioma map. Make it be only for Anioma people. Make una not the reason that way Asaba of Asaba they talk. Asaba of Asaba is not the king of Oshimiri and the natural people. He's not the king of Ukwane people. He's not the king of Ika people. That man is only speaking up for himself. Imagine for the map of the entire Oshimiri and Anyocha, all the kings there want Anioma State to be created as well to the southeast. Only Asawa for Sabato say he wants to make Anioma State there for south. So that is for you to know that the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning have majority support from Anioma people. You people have seen so many videos of our kings in Anioma say that they want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. Make una know the reason that way Asaba for Asaba talk. And this is the reason why the capital of Anioma will leave Asaba. Capital of Anioma is not the birthright of Asaba people. He go leave Asaba because we not need such a king where we say he not like unity, he not like southeast. We not want to make the capital of our state there for the community of that king. That's why the capital of Anioma must leave Asaba. He go leave that place. All those protests where Asaba people they just waste their time. We Ukwane people, let's be making a case that we want Anioma State to have his capital in Ukwane land. The biggest community in Ukwane land is Abe community. All the elders in Abe community are in full support for Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast. Go Abe community now, meet any of their elders. They go tell you see the Igbo people. Abe is an Ukwane speaking community. Abe community is the biggest community in Ukwane land. They have the land mass. Let the capital of Anioma State be in Abe community. Ukwane people are the most marginalized people in this Anioma land. Make we use that capital city, compensate Ukwane people. So many of my Ukwane people, some of them they like fear, make I not talk, now so their nature be, make I not talk, make I just done my own, now be the problem what Ukwane land gets. I'm not like that. I must speak up for my people. So my Southeast brothers, big onu support one the creation of Anioma State. You people should remove that part of Southeast that you added to the map of Anioma. Let it be Anioma for Anioma people alone. We know say those our politicians for Anioma will not get future for their people. We know say they not go fit carry Anioma State to go for south. They no get that power. So they are only trying to cause confusion, make Southeast stop to the support Anioma, make Southeast start to the support a Titi State or Anim State. As the thing they now, so many of our Southeast politicians are clamoring for Anim State. They are no longer clamoring for Anioma State. But as it be now, as those our Southeast politicians call the clamor for Anim State, it can't be like say they not get that interest for Anioma State. It can't be like say they want to make it say part of Southeast must join this Anioma to be Anim-Oma State before they will agree. It's very bad. Because if I know the reason this thing from this angle where they talk so now, that's where people they talk say Ndi Igbo are not united, Ndi Igbo don't have one voice. You should say now truth that they talk. So we have to prove them wrong. Even if those our politicians will not get sense from Anioma, they thought they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Southeast, you people should stand with Senator Nwoko. Una get the majority. So many Anioma people thought they want to make them join Southeast. The entire Southeast thought they want Anioma. Una don't weaken the power of those our politicians who want to make Anioma State join Southeast. With the support of they give Senator Nwoko, if we do referendum, una go see say Anioma State and the Southeast zoning go win. We go defeat those people who want to make Anioma State for South. Let's play this politics. Southeast support Anioma State for Anioma people alone and for Anioma State to be part of Southeast. This is what we, the good people of Anioma land, want. I'm not saying so many of our Southeast brothers not go like this video, but we have to tell ourselves the truth. I'm not saying politicians, so many of them get their own personal interest. Some of those politicians where they are Anim State, they want to make them join that part of Anim State for Anioma. Make them today inside politics. But make we look at from this angle where we dey talk so. If you add part of Southeast to Anioma, e no dey sweet those our Anioma brothers wey wan make Anioma State join Southeast. E dey cause more confusion. And e go dey sweet those our politicians for Anioma wey no get sense wey want to make Anioma State dey for South. Because they go dey talk say their plan don dey work. Wetin dem dey plan don dey work. Say they wan cause confusion. They go dey happy now say they don cause confusion. You know say if all these politicians do something finish, they go call each other for phone, they go meet for somewhere, they celebrate, they laugh. So our Southeast politicians, make una not fall for this trap where these people they set for us. So you people should just stand with Anioma State. Make Anioma State just be for Anioma people alone. Mona drone always say what you now want an Anioma State. The state must be created. Make una just stand say no only Anioma State una wants. And you go see say those our politicians not go fit do anything because we will start clamoring for referendum. Our Southeast leaders, make una hear this thing while they talk so. I'm telling you people the truth from my heart. what so many Anioma people are feeling. So many Anioma people don't call me, they tell me say they want make Anioma State join Southeast, but they no want to make part of Southeast join Anioma. Make it just be Anioma people alone. Since they just hear that news, they're not they happy. Whether our enemies like it or not, Anioma State must be actualized and sold to the Southeast. Anioma State for Anioma people is what we want. Ibanke and other Ika people in Edo State will be part of Anioma State. Anioma State must be actualized and sold to the Southeast. And there's nothing any politician from Anioma that is against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast can do about it. Ishia Gwale.